Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to manage Google Wallet on OnePlus 9. So as you see, I already have the OnePlus 9 in my hands, and all I'm gonna do just go into the search for the Google tab, and as you will see, there's all the Google applications. Try looking for the wallet. I will try to find it, and as you see, that's already I already found the wallet. Then you can click add to wallet, and then as you will see, all you can do just payment card. You can try to get your new card to set up by using Google Pay, or you can enter it right now, or you can do a transit pass if you want. Just choose a city that you would like, and it will direct you to the site. And another thing that you can do is add a loyalty card for using maybe a Little Poland or either some of those, for using some gift cards and everything. There's the gift card section. As you see, just click on the one that you would like, click on the card number, pin balance and your notes, and then you can get a photo with using a barcode or QR code. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.